Sir, just would like to get your thoughts on the recommendation of 22 senators to suspend muna yung PUV modernization program.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I disagree with them because sinasabi nila minadali. This has been postponed 7 times. The modernization has been postponed for 7 times. And those that have been objecting or have been crying out and been asking for suspension are in the minority. 80% have already consolidated. So paano naman yung 20% ang magde-decide yung buhay ng 100%. So pakinggan natin yung majority. At ang majority sinasabi ituloy natin. So that's what we will do.